Alright, in the extended everyday carry video, talk briefly about my first aid kit. Thought I'd go through and show you the contents of my individual first aid kit quickly here. Just a little quick video to let you see what I carry. Triple antibiotic ointment. This is basically generic Neosporin. Got a small pair of emergency shears. These are great for if you have to cut clothing, protect the skin while you're cutting. Actually very good scissors just to have on you for any necessary uses. Vicks inhaler. I have a tendency to get congested. Nice to have that. Keep the nose clear. Tube of super glue. Small cuts. This is perfect, quick way. Just apply the super glue, squeeze it together, seal up the wound. Quick and easy fix. Small thing of ibuprofen. Also carry a little pill container that has my prescription medication in it. That way, if I'm away from home for more than a day, I do have about 3 days supply worth of my prescription meds there. Also in here, items that get used frequently and quickly. Some Benadryl. Any type of allergic reaction at all, Benadryl is a good quick way to take care of the issue. Goody's headache powder. This is Deep Woods Off wipe. Quick way to get a little DEET on your skin to help you protect against mosquitoes, chiggers, bugs, biting flies. Keep several of those in there. More Benadryl. Small tube of sunscreen. This is just a roll of the self-adhesive wrapping tape. It's not really sticky, but as you wrap it around it does stick to itself. I'm sure there's a medical name for that, but handy to have for wound dressing. New Skin, it's a liquid bandage. Really, as far as applications, kind of similar to using super glue, but this is actually made to use on wounds, so it makes me feel a little bit better, at least, that I'm actually using something that is purely designed for repairing a wound. Keep all-day pain relief. That's an naproxen tablets. Water purification tabs. Important to have if you have a water source but don't know the quality of it. Some more allergy, just generic antihistamine allergy tablets. Benadryl ready mist to go. This is great for poison ivy, bug bites, things like that. Apply it directly at the site of the wound, the issue, and it'll stop the itching and give you a little antihistamine there to stop the problem. Have a small package of wound seal here. This is just a topical powder. A couple of different brands that this comes under. This is just a generic wound seal. Basically, it's a coagulant. You pour this in an open wound, stops the bleeding. I like to keep one right here on top so that it's quick to get to. I believe I keep in a small Altoids tin source of some sugar, just some little peppermints, and some packages of iodized salt. If you're out sweating, you're going to lose water, but you're also going to lose salt, and it's important for your body. Further in the pack here, have just an old Advil container that I've wedged into here. I've got smelling salts and also the potassium pill that you I can't think of which chemical it is, but there's a potassium, I think it's iodate, that you take in case of radiation exposure to protect your thyroid gland. Bottle of Visine, small roll of dental floss. This goes with the water purification tablet. It's not necessary, but it actually makes the water taste better after you've used the water purification tabs. Small package of Q-tips, fingernail clippers. Also inside this package, I keep all these items in here just for convenience sake and to keep them dry. This is a little watertight bag. I keep a pair of little nitrate gloves in there. More of the wound seal. Butterflies come in handy if you've got an open wound. Use those quickly to be able to seal it up. It's just the instruction sheet on the wound seal in case I'm not the one administering it. An assortment of Band-Aids, moist towelette, cleansing wipes, some gauze, more Band-Aids, one large gauze just in case of a major injury, small thing of burn cream, more butterflies, a package of moleskin. If you've ever had a blister while you're on a hike, you know that moleskin is invaluable to be able to continue your hike. And then finally I have the 6-inch Israeli dressing. Some people call it Israeli dressing, some people call it trauma dressing, battle dressing, but a quick, easily deployable, easily self-deployable dressing that's sterile, wrapped in the package, ready to go. And then it all resides in my small Maxpedition bag that actually has the molly on the back so that I can attach it on the outside, but this normally rides inside my everyday carry bag. Just wanted to give you guys a quick video to let you see what I carry in my individual first aid kit.